Welcome back again to Cebu Electrical and Control System tutorial. At this video, we're gonna discussing about the oil and gas process system with associated with electrical and instrumentation system. As you can see on the screen, I have prepared here the whole logic and the process system, oil and gas system, and the whole logic of the electrical and instrumentation. As you can see on the screen, we have here oil and gas supply, meaning this oil and gas supply is this liquid, this oil and gas is coming from like rig or oil heads, and then it comes to the pump. So this pump is the one to filling materials of this gas separation vessel, and then aside this separation vessel, there is two division. This is for gas and there is for the liquid. So the the materials it's is coming from the pump. It comes to the gas separation vessel. The gas material it comes to up, and then the liquid it comes to bottom, to the down. So that's why there is a line here going to the liquid production, and this on the top there is the line is going for the gas production. So uh, as I explained what is the instrumentation belong to the oil and gas the process system. That's why I prepared here the gas separation, how it will work the instrumentation. So aside from this gas separations vessel, the instrumentation provided the pressure transmitter. This is the one instrumentation. This pressure transmitter is for monitoring of the pressure of this vessel. So this pressure transmitter, the process value is range is 0 to 100 bar. So the trip set point it is on 80 bar. So once the the pressure of this gas separation vessel will reach on the over 80 bar, then this ESD valve will be closed. And then here in the bottom side, there is for the liquid. That's why the instrumentation provided also a level transmitter, which is this the one. So the process value of this level transmitter is 0 to 100% level. So here, as you can see here, this is the tapping point of the level transmitter. This is the transmitter, and this is minimum tapping point of the level transmitter. So between from minimum to maximum level, that is 100% level. So this is the process value 0 to 100% level. Then the trap set point it is on 80%. So this is how we'll communicate between the electrical and instrumentation within on the oil and gas process system. So we have here the pump. This pump, to start up of this pump, this is coming from digital output 24 volts from DCS. So meaning the DCS will send 24 volt signal to start up this pump if there will be no any uh, malfunctioning condition on the process system. So once the process system belongs to instrumentation is healthy, this pump is ready to start up. So what is the function of these two valves? We have here ESD valve or emergency shutdown valve, and we have here blow down valve, and we have here flare. So what is the function of this four equipment? So as I said, this pressure transmitter is monitoring the pressure of this gas separation vessel. So once the pressure will reach on 80 bar, then the the pressure transmitter will send signal to the DCS to close this ESD valve. So once the DCS receive 80 bar percent signal from the pressure transmitter, then the DCS will send a signal digital output 24 volts from the DCS to close this valve. Why the process system needs to be closed this valve? Because this pump, if we'll close this pump, there will be a lot of process system will be affected because it will be continuous the other system. There is also pump from the wheelheads or from the rig. That's why they are the process system is avoiding to stop filling to this gas separation vessel or to shut off the valve. So ano this pump. This pump should be continuous. That's why the instrumentation provided here the ESD valve. So ESD valve meaning emergency shutdown valve. Once there is a malfunction here, like it more over 80 bar pressure of this gas separation vessel, will be closed this valve, or the level of this liquid division will be reached on the 80%. Again, will close this ESD valve to avoid to shutdown of this pump. That's why when we close this ESD valve, then the ESD valve will detect the ESD valve will send a signal to the blow down valve. The DCS will send signal another digital output 24 volt signal to this blow down valve to open this down valve, because this already this should be closed. Then the blow down valve, this blow down valve, this blow down valve will be open, so that will not be shut down this pump. The oil and gas material will be continuous flowing instead going to the gas separation vessel. But the gas separation vessel, there is unconditional situation. That's why the oil and gas process will bypass to blow down valve going to the flare. So because of this oil and gas material, there will be a toxic gas. That's why the process oil and the no, oil and gas material, it will be sending to the flare for burning to be safe from the environment. So that is the explanation what is the relation between the oil and gas process system and the electrical and instrumentation.